Kini gidi jingkeli pelalong mata kesengi arab sau tarik. Arjar apun reo. Januari. Gidi jingkeli grade 4. Te kini jingkeli ki kilong ki beron kam lada pi wan tho menen ru pila ban pai pio kat no wat itu ki benang don exam haki ki jaka kum ki kampion po iskas hill kum po DSC mairang hariboy kini ru kila ban wan kini jingkeli. Te pila ban pai hadu bakut gini video bat sapun kre penmelit jimbot pa. On 15 August 1947, India first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the independent Indian flag from which fort? Kenika Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru ula penyang lama ningkong do hakai sengi rakhelai lut ke ningkong ke India haka Red Fort. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which European city? Kenika Nobel Peace Prize ke you haka ri Norway kade po Oslo nung haka nung ba Oslo. Te kenika we jingkeli we side one bet mankapor Meghalaya became full-fledged state on kenika besok 21st January 1972. Southwest Kasil became full-fledged district on full-fledged district in which year? Kenika de senam arjar khatar. How many lions are there in national emblem of India? Kane ngatip kibun kiba bakla ngaru nga yo itang lai teli hindrei udon hado south teli balasim nau asuka pilar. Wari Chora, a famous tourist spot in Meghalaya is located. Kane Wari Chora ngarang sudap ai ka jingkeli hitu gi GK jonga kiba bu sibun. Kane Wari Chora nga ong pi bakaron po South Goro Hill. Kare ka chaka jong okai ka ba itanat hi. How many autonomous district council are there in Meghalaya? Kene ngiti brokhoi kidon lai teli ki district council bo Meghalaya. The highest peak in Khasi Hill. Highest peak in Khasi Hill. Takarang ong wat jusania kini ki AI hun po Google kum kini ki local question bubun balang ki alam bakla bahab pe answer kum kani ru pin check na po Google kan tho mau plang peak. Henry ka answer ka de Shillong peak. The first Chief Minister of Meghalaya is Captain Williamson Sangma. Number A. Meghalaya literally means abode of cloud. Which of the following is non-biodegradable waste? Create plastic. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Kini don pungut MLA 60 MLA. Which of the following is one of the 8 planet in their system? Kini Neptune. Choose the correct sport and its terminal. Kani football kamde boundary. Football haji ka football kade bandon penalty. Cricket kade bandon boundary. Tennis to kabiang. Basketball kamde put kade bat ka golf. Baklar nga golf. The answer here is tennis. Consider the following statement regarding Southwest Kasil district. It became full-fledged district in the year 2013 kamde 2012. There are 2 community rural development blocks. Batu kadega de rani kadaga day Ranikor Mawkyrwat. There are 3 major rivers in the district. How ikaturu kadai. So the answer here is number 2 and number 3. Consider the following statement. The state bird of Meghalaya is parrot katu kamday. There are 3 major tribe katu kadai. Meghalaya share internal with 2 countries katu kamday. So only 1. With reference to Meghalaya, consider the following. Lady sleeper occurred in the state floor Meghalaya katu kadai. There are 10 district Meghalaya katu kamday. So the answer here is only 1. With reference to the Southwest Kasil district, consider the following statement. Ranikol subscription was established in 2019 katu kamday. The district share an international Bangladesh. So it's only 2B. Which among the following is known as the brain of computer? Answer is CPU. Environment Day is celebrated on which date of every year. Kan ni ke besyak wan wahani jengkeli man ki exam. Kede 5th June. Elephant Fall is in East Kashmir is also known as this is kshay lai paten kho seok. What is the process by which plant made their food? This is photosynthesis. What is the smallest continent in the world? Ang ni gede Australia. Deki ai Oceania, Haptic Oceania. National fruit of India is mango. The largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Kan ero kshat wan machin kali man kapor hi. The national song of India is Vande Mataram. What is the national anthem of India? The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. The president of India, Sri Draupadi Murmu, belongs to which state? Answer is Odisha. O-D-S-H-A. Odisha. Which of the following crop is widely grown in Meghalaya? Shay, Meghalaya jong ingi shay erap hayo kuba nakhin na pedang gini ki jajing thung ba panmi hane. Which animal is found in Mawkyrwat Biosphere Reserve? Mawkyrwat Biosphere Reserve ngisay lab hayo ni red panda bar utu holog gibbon. The elephant ru dan hi tamba ka bon pau ni red panda. How many state and union territories are there in India? India don't have arpu pratalik state but pratalik union territories. Right to vote in India is given at the age of khat prasnem milayot vote. Which gas is released during human respiration? Dangi penhiar mestim, kimpen mi carbon dioxide, ngita naga oxygen. Recipient of the Kiang Nangba Award in 2025 is Kemoin Walang. Teha au arch ajar phone rupa de ngatrai nila etep idei ri lang dhar ibadei referee bila along FIFA referee mentah idi kentai. Which is the largest bird on earth? This is ostrich. Choose the odd one out. Odd one out hangni kini ba rokhot kidei po southwest. Kini gede giantia. So the odd one out here is Mentdu. Who is the current deputy speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly? This is Limisandi Sangma. Who is the current vice president of India? This is C.P. Radhakrishnan. Animal that eat only plant are called herbivore. Which planet is known as the morning star? This is Venus. Which of these is source of light? Kasus jungle light. Sun. Which is the longest rivers in the world? Longest is the Nile. So Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. A group of lion is called a pride. Which of the following is non-renewable resources? Kita kibangim la kibala sna lot coal. Which imaginary line divide the earth onto northern and southern hemisphere? This is equator. Which state is called the land of the rising sun in India? This is Arunachal Pradesh. So ngisay tip kum ya kajap kari jong countries as kari pade gede Japan kata land of the rising sun. Hapo India pade gede Arunachal. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Kane hapo LD menero kawan hi. Fish breed primarily through gills. What is the meaning of the phrase under the weather? Under the weather, come on, dangis ngustam under the weather. Feeling ill. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Heart. Tidak kumbang ong phi kan mawan bu hagini jingli na marki exam jongka riboy eastern west kasel ne po jante hel ro kini hi is kasel pion jong is kasel kini kin ngathai kin dan bet bawan nang ne gimba katuk ni teli tes bawan ya bu chikan ma kata kule shibon dai yarap ban bu status lang la ne, ya ban share lang ini video, kanang ba ngan la ban nang pen mi shushu de video.